on a heated pot. Pour about probably 2 cups of water, just so we have enough sabaw for now, and then we'll add if we need to add. We're gonna wait till the water boils, and then we'll put the stuff in. Okay, so the water's boiling, as you can see. We're gonna add the sauce from the mackerel, canned mackerel. So we'll give it a little bit of flavor. Alright, as soon as it boils, then we can add some of the vegetables. So now we can add the onions. And then we add the tomatoes. Forgot to mention on the ingredients, ground pepper. We're gonna add some ground pepper. Or you can skip ground pepper too if you don't want to put ground pepper, but I prefer having a little bit of spice in there. Just a little bit. And ground pepper would help on that. We're just gonna wait till this thing boils. And then we can add some of the veggies. So now we're gonna add the long beans, since the water's boiling, or sitaw. And let that cook for a while. Okay, we're gonna check it out. Perfect. Alright, so we're gonna put the wing beans or sigarilyas. I think we're gonna need more water because we want a lot of sabaw or soup or sauce on our sinigang. Okay, so we're gonna add another cup of water since we have a lot of vegetables. Hopefully that works. And we're gonna cover it up so we can let it simmer for a while, or a little bit. So we're gonna check it out. It's about after 2 minutes boiling or simmering. Now we could add our eggplant. Same thing. We're gonna let that cook and simmer, and then we'll add the other stuff in. Alright, check it out. Not quite ready yet, but we can start putting in our okra. And I think I'm gonna need another cup of water. Another cup of water. And it should be good for sabaw now. Or maybe I put half a cup of water. Alright. We'll cover that up. Let it simmer. This out. Alright. Looks like it's cooking. Alright, now we're gonna add our green chili or sweet chili, and we're gonna let that simmer as well. We're gonna put our tamarind soup base or sinigang mix. And then we're gonna add some patis and secret sauce, about 2 tablespoons of patis, and we're gonna let that simmer for a little while. So let's check this out. Oh, looks like the vegetable is ready just by looking at it. Looks like it's ready. So now we're gonna add our final ingredient, which is the mackerel. We want to put this in the last part of the cooking process because it's already cooked, so we don't want to overcook it and let it just fall apart. Alright. And we're gonna let that simmer probably like 30 seconds. So this dish is ready. Done. We're gonna taste this thing.